Opening the chakras is an intense experience, and once you begin this process, you cannot stop until all 7 are open. First, we will open the Earth Chakra, located at the base of the spine. It deals with survival and is blocked by fear. Next is the
Water Chakra?
This chakra deals with pleasure and is blocked by guilt. Third is the Fire Chakra, located in the stomach. This chakra deals with willpower and is blocked by shame. The fourth chakra is located in the heart. It deals with love and is blocked by grief. The fifth in the chain is the Sound Chakra, located in the throat. It deals with truth and is blocked by lies, the ones we tell ourselves. The sixth pool of energy is the Light Chakra, located in the center of the forehead. It deals with insight and is blocked by illusion.
This is the last chakra, isn't it?
Yes, the Thought Chakra is located at the crown of the head. It deals with pure cosmic energy and is blocked by earthly attachment.